Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is I Was Running Late. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about likes and dislikes. How we can express our likes and dislikes. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 195, do good, for Allah loves those who do good. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is teaching us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us, do good. So we should do good because it's Allah's command. So whatever we do, wherever we are, we should always try to do good. And what is the reward of it? Allah is going to love us, inshallah, because Allah loves those who do good. So inshallah, we'll try to keep ourselves on the track. We'll do good all the time. And better speaking is one of the act, okay? So we should do good and we should speak good as well. We should know how to express ourselves in a nice manner. So there can be two situations. We like and dislike. In grade 2, you have already learned how to express your likes and dislikes. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express likes and dislikes. This is our today's SLO. So, what are your likings and dislikings? And what likings and dislikings of a person reflect? It is very natural, beta, we have likings and dislikings. But what does it reflect? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered these questions and now you know our likings and dislikings reflect our personality. How do we think? What do we like? It means we are tend towards that. That's why, beta, our likings and dislikings should be according to teaching of Islam, according to Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should like whatever our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked, right? This is how we can decide what is good to like and what is there to dislike. We should not follow others. We should follow only our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, my dear students, it is very natural. There are things we like and there are things we don't like, but whatever it is the situation, we should express it nicely by proper words and using polite tone, right? I like to play with doll. That's it. This is how I spend my time. I like to play with my toys. So when it's time to express liking, it is very simple. But when it's times to express dislikes, we should be polite at that time as well. I don't like playing with dolls. I like to play with ball. This is my choice. Like whenever I get time, I play with ball because I don't like playing with dolls. So it is very nicely. We should not playing with dolls is this. No, always talk nicely. So let's practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 21. Let's see what's written here. It is question 13. This boy is saying something, and what is saying? I like walking to school. So he does not like to go to school by car or rickshaw or something else. He's saying, I like walking to school. He go to school on foot. That's a good thing. So he is mentioning it. I like playing cricket. Okay. I do not like skipping lunch. So I take my lunch every day. I don't like skipping it. Okay, fine, that's good. I do not like the taste of cola drinks. That's really good. So because it is not good for our health, so we should avoid it. I don't like it. Good. Are you clear? How do we express our likes and dislikes? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Your teacher will ask you to come in front of the class and express your likes and dislikes by using these expressions. Okay, and teacher will politely help students with correct articulation and expression during this activity, because whenever we mention our dislikes, sometimes we don't talk properly. So teacher kindly keep an eye, keep correcting the students, pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, all of you express your likes and dislikes. Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences about your likes and dislikes using expressions learnt in class. And if it is possible, you can make a video of expressing your likes and dislikes and share it with your teacher. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned the difference between likes and dislikes, and we learned to express likes and dislikes by using appropriate expressions. So we achieved our SLO to use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express likes and dislikes. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.